Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video guys. I heard that some muddy toys, dirty toys are here. Now I collect these toys and clean all the toy. Guys, wow, this is the basket and guys, I got the muddy toys. Wow, guys look. It's really awesome. Great looking muddy toys are here. So guys, let's collect all the toy in this basket. Wow. Oh ho. Guys, so many toys are here. Really awesome guys. All the toys are totally dirty and muddy. I clean all the toys after collect these toys. So stay with me guys. Medium sizes, big sizes, mini sizes, so many toys are here. All the toys are really beautiful. I introduce all the toys with you after cleaning. Lots of toys guys. Okay. And this is the final one. Guys, look. Just awesome. And I clean all the toys here, guys. So, don't be late, guys. Start cleaning. First, I got this one. A bus, city bus, cool color 6-wheeler city bus, Discovery city bus. Wow. Wow, a luxury sedan car, sedan sports car. It's really great looking guys. Luxury car. Oh. Awesome. A school bus. Red color guys. Red color school bus. Wow. Another impressive vehicle, train vehicle, bullet train guys. It's a bullet train, impressive, realistic bullet train. And this is another one. Oh, wow, a police car. Limousine police car guys, look, it's a limousine police car. And this is bus, yes. Wow, a city bus. It's also 6-wheeler city bus. Whoa. McQueen Cool color McQueen. Awesome, really great McQueen car. Disney McQueen. And guys, wow, another impressive toy. Oh, guys, this is the loader. I load this pistol and fire. Whoa, it works. A pistol, realistic, guys. Whoa, truck toys. A ladder truck, 6-wheeler ladder truck. So many vehicles, guys. Container truck, look, plastic container truck, beautiful, realistic. And this is construction vehicle. Cement mixer, guys. A cement mixer truck. Beautiful, fully realistic. Mini one. Crane truck. Wow, another construction vehicle, construction truck, crane truck. Oh, a helicopter. Wow, guys, beautiful helicopter. And another mini vehicle, ladder, guys. Powerful machine, ladder. Oh, forklift. Wow, guys, it's flexible. Forklift. It's also beautiful, realistic one. Last 6 vehicle in my basket, and this is a steam engine, smiley face here. Beautiful train engine or steam engine. Wow, it's teeny, guys, teeny motorbike. Look, colorful teeny motorbike. Wow, a cover van, courier service cover van. Guys, it's a dump truck. Look, it's unattached. Beautiful dump truck. Wow. A bus. It's a tour bus, guys. Beautiful tour bus. Last 2 vehicle. I clean. Last 2 vehicles. This is a road roller. Wow, it's fully realistic mini road roller. And excavator truck, guys. Look, plastic cheap excavator truck, and the basket is empty. I clean all the toy. Just look, all are totally clean now, and all are colorful, guys. Realistic, great looking, colorful toy vehicles are here. I clean all the toy which I got in muddy condition. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.